Hello everyone. I'm a Shopify developer and I'm going to show you how to use image comparison section from Iconic Section app. This is a really cool feature to showcase after and before images in a really slick and interactive way. Here are few demos of image comparison section and you can see how easily you can have this kind of before and after images in a vertical or a horizontal position. Now, if you are wondering how this can be possible, then here is our Iconic Section app, and it lets you install any kind of sections in a one-time cost. After you install the app, you can go to Sections page. On a section page, you can scroll and find out image comparison section. It costs $9 and you can install this section to any of your theme. Hit install. After you install this section, you can customize and make it as per your branding. So I will show you a quick demo how to set up this page. Go to your preferred page and hit add section. Here you can find image comparison section from Iconic app. And once you install, you can find out all the settings are easily available here. Also, you can add after and before images from these settings. Here I have selected two images to show you the demo. And once you save, right now it's a list view. If you want to have a side by side text and image, you can turn off the list view here. Also, you can easily change the background color and text. Within the before and after, you can change this label and color of that button as well. Also, you can link this image to any page. And that's it. It's very simple to set up an interactive section like that using Iconic Section app. Feel free to explore all kind of sections in our app and reach out to our support if you need any help. Thanks for watching.